What if I told you that this bottle of frankincense essential oil in my hand is the victim of identity theft? Currently, the botanic community are killing off Boswellia Carteri and lumping it in together with Boswellia Sacra, which on the surface seems like a really simple name change, but it hides deep chemical differences that could become a clinical nightmare. Because if you cannot discern between the Arabian horse and the Somali zebra, then you could reach for a bottle of frankincense to treat osteoarthritis or a viral infection and wonder, why is my patient not getting any better? So today I'm going to delve into those chemical differences that the botanist ignored, to show you why a GCMS hides the truth, and also why receptors in our body can only respond to certain molecular handshakes, and why, because I'm worried about your clinical results, I refuse to let Boswellia Carteri die. So we are going to get serious in this lecture, and I do need to break it down into smaller components to make it palatable. So these are they. First of all, I'm going to talk about how there has been a new species of Boswellia discovered and how its discovery has led to the extinction of the name Boswellia Carteri. So that is botanical. It's about the trees. Then I'm going to move on to talk about the way that the terroir, the environment that the trees has grown on, actually alters the way that the tree makes its secondary metabolites and thus creates a different chemistry. And specifically that chemistry is about alpha-pinene, and then we're going to talk about how the different trees create different alpha-pinenes. Then we're going to go into what the differences between these alpha-pinenes looks like chemically. And then when we've finished all of that, we're going to go right back to the beginning and put those two arguments together, and for me to show that one is an Arabian horse and the other is a Somali zebra. So onwards.